दो बार नहीं समझते हैं एक ही बात को। मेरे यहाँ जिस भी हेडिंग में आएगा, यू हैव टू आर्ग्यू योर केस ऑन मेरिट्स। आई विल नॉट वेट फॉर टू बी मेंशन एंड दिस एंड दैट। इफ यू हैव द डायरी, यू हैव ए कॉपी ऑफ द डायरी। नहीं है ना तो घर जाइएगा।
2 का बिल मिला हुआ है लोग।
वही तो ऑर्डर पढ़ रहे हैं, बेल ऑर्डर पढ़ रहे हैं। व्हाट इज द केस?
अर्लियर डायरी कॉल,
डायरी कॉल हुआ था, मेरिट पे सबमिट कीजिए। नाउ वेयर इज मिस्टर झा?
डॉक्टर साहब इसमें डायरी कॉल हुआ था तो ऑफिस नोट में आया।
दो बार नहीं समझते हैं एक ही बात को।
डॉक्टर साहब
मेरे यहाँ जिस भी हेडिंग में आएगा, यू हैव टू आर्ग्यू योर केस ऑन मेरिट्स। आई विल नॉट वेट फॉर टू बी मेंशन एंड दिस एंड दैट। इफ यू हैव द डायरी, यू हैव ए कॉपी ऑफ द डायरी। नहीं है ना तो घर जाइएगा। लेट मी सी द रिकॉर्ड्स। व्हाट इज योर नेम? सुधीर यादव. You are named in the FIR? Then, what is the requirement of calling for the case diary? Why case diary?
Earlier argument.
क्या argument? You repeat that argument on merits. Why case diary? Why not? This case be decided on the basis of materials available on record today. Dev Narayan Yadav fired hitting Pawan Yadav. Sudhir Yadav fired causing injury to Pawan Yadav. Pawan Yadav is the deceased. Ghanshyam Yadav started to fire indiscriminately. It is further stated the petitioners who were armed with pistol ordered that no one should be escaped.
2 का बिल मिला हुआ है लोग।
वही तो ऑर्डर पढ़ रहे हैं, बेल ऑर्डर पढ़ रहे हैं। वो नॉन जिस पर एलिगेशन नहीं उसको मिला। आप जो ग्राउंड लिया है कि आई वॉज अपियरिंग फॉर सम एग्जाम, वेदर द आईओ हैज वेरीफाइड इट, वेदर यू फाइल एन एप्लीकेशन बिफोर द इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर अबाउट योर वेरिफिकेशन ऑफ योर एलिबाई, वेदर इट हैज बीन कंसिडर्ड. If it was not considered, whether you approached the magistrate for a direction to the IO and the SP for verification of your alibi,
No, no.
then
पुलिस
देकर सो गए आप. Now your alibi will be tested in trial on the basis of evidence which you adduce. The right course should have been that you should have approached the magistrate by filing an application. From reading of the देखो prosecution case मत लिखना, जो लिखा रहे हैं हम लिखना. It has been alleged in the FIR that the petitioner and others have shot the deceased. Stop. There is shot the deceased and the deceased died. Next. It has been submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that he has been falsely implicated and on the date of occurrence he was appearing in an examination. Stop. This fact has not been verified by the IO in the case, IO of the case, and charge sheet has been submitted against the petitioner. The petitioner did not take any steps for to press his application, which was not being considered by the IO, and he did not approach the superintendent of police or higher police officials or the learned magistrate for investigation with regard to his alibi. Stop. In these circumstances, the submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner is not involved in the crime is fit to be rejected. The petitioner is said to be one of the assailants of the deceased. In the two co-accused who have been granted bail, the case of the two accused who have been granted bail is distinguishable from that of the case of the petitioner. the petitioner is also accused in a case of